That's right, you can pair a fitness device to your TRAQ device and get the most out of your training. Here's how. First, go to Devices from your home screen. To do that, press the top right menu button on your TRAQ device thrice. Now press the bottom left Start button to proceed. Several options will appear. Scroll down to pair a device using the crown and select it by pressing the Start button. Your TRAQ device will search for nearby devices to pair with. Devices near your TRAQ device will be displayed. Scroll down to your device using the crown and press the Start button to select it. Your TRAQ device will connect to your selected device. And you're done. Once the connected message appears, you're good to train with your TRAQ device and the paired device. The data from your connected device will now show up directly in your app once you finish and save an activity. To know more about what you can do with your TRAQ devices and app, check out our remaining tutorials.